So in this recipe, we're going to make a kid goat curry in a very traditional way. So this is 1 kilo kid goat with bone in. Kid goat is less than a year. Ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons, a heap of the spoon. Now adding sliced onions, 2 medium-sized onions cut into slices, 2 tomatoes, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, 2 Kashmiri dry red chili split into half, green chili 6 numbers into slice, curry leaf 4 sprigs, only the leaves, chopped in tomato 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 3 teaspoons, taken a heap like this, mild Kashmiri chili powder 2 teaspoons in a heap, quarter teaspoon of black pepper. So you get all the flavors of the chili in a nice, nice combination. So now mix it. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it again. Now I'm adding 1 stock cube. You can use beef stock cube or the lamb stock cube. Mix it with 1 cup of water, hot water. Now the mix is ready. We're going to pressure cook it on high flame for 2 minutes. Then reduce into slow and keep it in 30 minutes. So now the lamb is cooked. The goat is cooked. It's very tender. You can check it. It's nice. Now I'm going to turn into a pan and then finish it off. So after turning into the pan, allow it to boil it. Now adding ghee to finish it off. I can add 2 tablespoons of ghee. Now to this, adding coconut milk. Coconut milk powder is diluted with water, 1 cup of water. Coconut milk powder is around 3 large tablespoons. Now mix it, allow it to boil, and then we simmer it for at least 15 minutes on a slow flame. So now the goat curry is set. It's been reduced for half an hour. Now you can see the sauce is thick. Nice shine on the top from the ghee. Now I'm going to plate it or give it a bowl. So pour enough for your dining area. 1 portion or 2 portions in a bowl nicely. Garnish with a curry leaf or even coriander leaf you can use.